Very cheerful morning to one and all present here. Reverend Sister Alvin, Principal of our school, Dr. Mary Jansi, Guest of the Day, Sister Renus, Correspondent, dear parents, teachers, and our beloved kids. First of all, I welcome you all to our today's kindergarten graduation program. Coming together is a beginning and being together is a progress. To make our today's program very colorful, we have very eminent person, Dr. Mary Jansi in our midst. She is Deputy Director in State Council of Educational Research and Training. Our beloved teachers for their dedication, love, and patience given to our tiny tots. Dear teachers, you have taken great effort to put this program on the stage and prepared the children well to stand before audience. As our little graduates take their first step into the world of education beyond kindergarten, I congratulate and wish them all for their bright future education. I wish you all the best. Thank you. God bless.
To have with us today a person whose journey is a testament to the power of passion, perseverance, and dedication. Dr. A. Mary Jansi, Deputy Director, SCERT Chennai. A renowned educationist whose dedication to learning and academics, most notably Dr. Radhakrishnan Best Teacher Award in 2023, Seermiga Asriyar Virudu in 2010, Pudhiya Thalaimurai Seermiga Asriyar Virudu in 2011, Suற்றுச்சூழல் Seyal Veerar Virudu in 2017, Pennai Sudar Virudu in 2024. Your remarkable contribution to the field of education had a made lasting impact, and we are grateful that you have taken the time from your busy schedule to be a part of our celebration today. As a token of our profound love and respect, and I request the Reverend Sister Edwin with a bouquet. Thank you, ma'am. This small request Reverend Sister Edwin to up the moment.
Ma'am, and thank you, sister. Please take your respective chairs, ma'am.